What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.041, down 7.1. Looks like we're going through our wave 2 pullback, down 7.8. Same market cap of 279 million. 24-hour volume 397 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bit or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, check out my full link tutorials. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts for Gala. So we're starting to pull back in our wave 2. So this is a support box to watch in between 0.032 and 0.036. Crucial that we hold 0.032 as that's a 78.6% fib level, and this will determine if the bottom is in for our friend Gala Games. So far so good. Now we do have the 4-hour EMAs coming in as support, as you can see, so we may bounce off those levels. But if Bitcoin reaches its pullback target, then I do think Gala will come down into this wave 2 pullback zone. So if we zoom in here, we could be looking, let me just use my brush, as this is an ABC. But I think it's more likely if Bitcoin pulls back into its pullback zone that all of this was a wave A, you'll bounce up in a B and then come down into the wave 2 pullback zone in the wave C, which could be another beautiful opportunity to get into Gala. As if we zoom out, this is exactly what you're looking for. Off the low, we had a wave 1 up, we had a wave 2 pullback. So we've had 5 waves to the upside. If we can hold that wave 2 pullback and we bounce, we break that previous high, then there's a very strong probability that this is the bottom at 0.015, and we put in a wave 1, wave 2, and now you're going to push up into wave 3. So that's why I mentioned 0.0326 is the key support to hold, because if it holds and we bounce, or we bounce before then, high probability the bottom is in for our friend Gala Games. And you can strap in for the ride, as I do think we'll at least head up towards $2 and quite possibly $3 to $5 with the amount of interest that's in Gala. People don't want to believe that, but we've seen it before. Look at Sand, look at Mana, look at where they were in the bear markets, and look at the prices they exploded to in the bull markets. I do think Gala Games will do the same. Now, looking on the daily time frame, we pushed above the daily EMAs, as I had mentioned in the Discord. So crucial that we can hold them. We may break them momentarily, but if we can break back above them, even if we were to hold them right here, the 20 EMA is currently coming in at about 0.038, and that lines up with the minimum target of the wave 2 pullback. But we may break a little bit below them, but if we can hold them, we create the bullish cross, and a very high likelihood you push up to that wave 3 target, all the way up at about 26 cents for our friend Gala Games. So everything's looking really good. Our bearish divergence fully played out, exactly what we wanted to see, and we've seen a beautiful bounce. So this is the crucial support to watch, and definitely a good opportunity to get into Gala off that bounce in that wave 2, in my opinion, if you haven't already started to load the bags. But it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada, currently in Johannesburg, South Africa. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. Go grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies completely for free. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. Members post their profits in here, as you can see. Some of them making some juicy gains. Mahalo all plays. Same price as a Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon. And I'll see you in the next one. Smash the like button. All right. Much love. Take care.